guys, welcome to episode 1 of the Travelling Campus Nissan Patrol Y62 build. As you know, we've come from a diesel-powered Holden, Colorado. Now we're in the big petrol V8, we want to sound like one. We reached out to the guys at Torqit, and we are very lucky to get our hands on the first full stainless 3-inch exhaust, the revamped model for the Y62 Patrol. We're going to be heading down today to fit it up. First of all, let's take a look at it. As you'd expect with the guys from Torqit, this stuff is top notch. This is a full 3-inch stainless exhaust, 304 grade steel, mandrel bend, all the stuff you would expect. It's a 3-inch stainless into 2 hot dogs, which goes into 1 center muffler, single out into a 3-inch stainless, into their new revamped muffler, which is designed to increase flow, a note, more performance upgrades to the previous model into a 3.5-inch dump pipe. These systems from Torqit are now available to purchase for the Nissan Y62 Patrol. If you want more information of the more technical details, hit up the guys from Torqit, or if you have any specific questions about what it's like on the Y62 Patrol that we didn't cover in this video, hit us up, we're more than happy to answer them. Alright, that's enough from us here. I'm too excited to see how this thing's going to sound. Let's jump in the car, we'll go down and see Spud at Melly 4x4, and let's get this thing fitted. Let's go.
Alright, we're down here at Melly 4x4. These are the guys who are going to be helping us for our entire build. Let's take this thing out the back and put it on the hoist. Alright, the car's up on the hoist. We're under here. I don't really know much about installing, but it looks pretty straightforward. What are we in for, Spud?
Yeah, you're right there. So we'll just remove the old system, start from the back, work forward, get it out of the way, and then rip in with a new one. Pretty
We'll get into it.
Alright, that's the standard system off. Let's chuck on the new one.